Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this ViralView user review. So this video is going to be useful for individuals who are deciding whether or not to try out or buy ViralView and what you absolutely need to know before you make that purchasing decision. And if you're interested in trying ViralView out at any point during this video, check out my link down below in the description and use the code WELCOME10 to get 10% off your subscription. So I've been using ViralView for about 4 months now. And I must say that it's definitely worth the money, but here are some things that you have to be aware about before you buy this software. Now let's start off with what you need to know. First thing is that ViralView is pretty expensive for a subscription software price, and I was hesitant at first, just like you probably are right now, but I decided to give it a shot, and after my first month, I saw good results. So let me tell you exactly what you're getting into. The biggest thing you need to know before you buy is that you should have over 100 videos on your storefront. That's my recommendation before you even try out ViralView. For context, I had over 1,000 videos on my storefront before I joined ViralView, and that's probably part of the reason why I saw such a big increase in my Creator Connection campaigns. If you don't have a lot of content videos already, you're not going to see the same results that I'm talking about in this review. Now here's what ViralView actually does for you. There are 3 main ways that this software helps, and these things are what you need to understand before you buy. First way is that if you have access to Creator Connections, then it can find and accept related campaigns for what you already have videos for, and it automatically submits those videos to all those related campaigns. This one feature alone jumped me from having around 60 campaigns to now being a part of over 600 campaigns in Creator Connections. With this increase in campaigns, this has also drastically increased my earnings from just Creator Connections alone. But here's what you need to know. This only works if you have a decent amount of content uploaded already. The second way that I use ViralView is through their automated brand messaging system. Again, on Creator Connections, it makes it easy to send 20 messages per day, asking companies for free samples of products. Because of this feature, I'm able to get free samples, film videos that have increased commissions because they're on Creator Connections, and I'm able to either use these products myself or resell them on third-party marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace. What you need to know here is that you still have to put in the work though. The templates help, but you need to be strategic about which brands you contact. The third way I use ViralView now is it easily tells me which products I have a high chance of ranking my video for on that product page, and whenever I'm shopping on Amazon now. This extension has basically adjusted the way in which I shop on Amazon now because I mainly buy products which I can film a video for, and my video will appear in the top carousel. Before you buy though, you need to know that this feature requires you to change your shopping habits and be more strategic about what you purchase. Now here's what you really need to know about the cons before you buy. Okay, we've talked a lot about the pros. Although the software does a lot of automation for you, you are still going to have to put in the hours. And what I mean by this is that you're still going to need to create high quality product review videos, and the subscription cost is definitely on the higher side. So you need to make sure you're actually going to use all these features regularly. Another thing you need to know is that there is going to be a learning curve. It took me about 2 to 3 weeks to really understand how to maximize all the features and start seeing really good results. Don't expect to buy this software and immediately see overnight success. What you also need to know is that this software is really designed for people who are already active in the Amazon influencer space. If you're just starting out or you don't have Creator Connections access yet, you might want to wait before purchasing ViralView. Now, speaking of the cost, you have to take into account that this is a monthly subscription. So out of whatever extra earnings you make, you need to subtract that with the monthly fee that you're paying for. But in my experience, the increased opportunities have much more paid for the subscription cost itself. With ViralView though, you just need to make sure that you're ready to commit to using it consistently. If you're someone who creates content sporadically or you're not serious about growing your Amazon influencer business, this might not be worth the cost for you. My recommendation is that if you're considering buying ViralView, make sure you meet these criteria first. You have at least 100 videos on your storefront, you're already active on Creator Connections, and you're committed to creating content on product reviews regularly. If you check all these boxes, then it's probably worth trying out. And if you're interested in trying out ViralView, you can use my link down below and enter the code WELCOME10 for a lifetime 10% off your monthly subscription. But that's pretty much it though, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I hope this helped give you some insight. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.